This is your Handwriting Without Tears lesson for page 49. We're going to go ahead and copy the word kit. K, I, t. K, I, t. Notice how the D goes all the way to the top. The O stays under the clouds, and then the L's go right down next to it. D goes all the way to the top. O, L is right down, bump, right down, bump. Cake stays under the cloud line, so does A, but K comes from the top down. Remember, kick it out and slide. Remember? Whoa, sorry, my paper started moving. E comes little line up and around and stop. There's the C. Here comes the A. K comes down, kick, and slide out. And the E is up and around. Oh, went out under the line a little bit. I'll have to try a little bit better next time. All right, the capital E or W comes up and then the E. This says we, so we'll do capital W is big line, big line, big line, big line. E is little line up and around, stop. Like is a word that we write all the time in writing, isn't it? Like. The key is that when you're doing this, and you're not just writing words, now you're writing sentences, it's important to go slow so that your hand memorizes how to move for these sentences. And you copy exactly how it looks. And you, in your brain, start to think, well, the I goes down from the cloud line to the bottom line, or to the ground line, so cloud to the ground, and then the dot floats. Cloud to the ground, then the dot floats. These are things that you should be doing in your head as you're writing. Really thinking about the position and the formation of the letters in the word. You may color the cake and the kites if you want. If you want to leave it blank, great, no problem. Don't forget to do your check marks. And this will be the end of, sorry, let me make sure the page number is showing, of page 49 in your Handwriting Without Tears book.